Hi everybody, welcome to this new lesson of the video series Arabic Grammar. In this lesson, inshallah, we're gonna see some important characteristics of a noun. The indefinite noun always has nonation on it. Nonation is tanween in Arabic. It can be Dhamma tanween, Kasra tanween, or Fatha tanween. Each noun can be written in the three forms depending on its position in a sentence. We will give examples for nouns with only Dhamma tanween. A house, Baytun, Baytun, Baytun. A chair, Kursiyun, Kursiyun, Kursiyun. A pen, Qalamun, Qalamun, Qalamun. A book, Kitabun, Kitabun, Kitabun. There are two ways to change an indefinite noun to a definite. The first one is to add the definite particle. We have seen that before, but no problem to make a review again. Take the example of the noun Babun, 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 a door. The first letter is one of the moon letters. So to make the noun definite, al will be connected to the first letter, and then tanween will be replaced with the corresponding single vowel. So we will get al-babu, 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 the door. Now take another example. The noun darsun, 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 a lesson. The first letter is one of the sun letters. So to make this noun definite, a will be connected to the first letter. Shadda will be added to the first letter, and then tanween will be replaced with the corresponding single vowel. So we will get ad-darsu, 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 the lesson. The second way is to create a possessive form, belonging. Take this example, Kitabun, 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 a book. To make this noun definite, we can belong it to another noun. Let's start with a definite noun, ar-rajulu, 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 the man. The possessive form is kitabu ar-rajuli, kitabu ar-rajuli, kitabu ar-rajuli, kitabu ar-rajuli, kitabu ar-rajuli, a book of a man. When two nouns came together in the possessive form, one vowel is dropped from the first noun. The second definite noun, it will have kasra. In the possessive form, always the possessor comes after the thing possessed. Another example, babun, 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 a door. Al-baytu, 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 a house. The possessive form is babu al-bayti, babu al-bayti, babu al-bayti, babu al-bayti, babu al-bayti. Now let's belong the noun kitabun, kitabun, to an indefinite noun, rajulun, rajulun, rajulun. The possessive form is kitabu rajulin, kitabu rajulin, kitabu rajulin, kitabu rajulin, kitabu rajulin. As you can see, one vowel is dropped from the first noun. And for the second indefinite noun, it will have كسرة تنوين. Another example, باب 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 a door. بيت 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 a house. The possessive form is باب بيت باب بيت باب بيت باب بيت باب بيت. We can also create a possessive form using possessive pronouns. كتاب a book plus ك, it will give كتابك كتابك كتابك, your book. Another example, كتاب كتاب plus هو هو هو, it will give كتابه كتابه كتابه, his book. The noun in the nominative case. الاسم في حالة الرفع. الاسم في حالة الرفع. When the noun is the subject of the sentence, the door of the verb, then the noun will be voweled with dhamma if the noun is definite. Like for example, قال الولد قال الولد قال الولد قال الولد, the boy said. Or voweled with dhamma tanween if the noun is indefinite. Like for example, جاءت سيارة جاءت سيارة جاءت سيارة, a car came. The noun in the accusative case. الاسم في حالة النصب. الاسم في حالة النصب. When the noun is the object of the sentence, it will be voweled with fatha if the noun is definite. Like for example, يحب أخي الرسم يحب أخي الرسم يحب أخي الرسم, my brother likes drawing. Or fatha tanween if the noun is indefinite. Like for example, يقرأ زيد كتابا يقرأ زيد كتابا يقرأ زيد كتابا, Zaid reads a book. The noun in the genitive case. الاسم في حالة الجر. الاسم في حالة الجر. When the noun is preceded by a preposition, it will be voweled with kasra if the noun is definite. Like for example, ذهبت أمي إلى السوق ذهبت أمي إلى السوق ذهبت أمي إلى السوق, my mother went to the market. Or kasra tanween if the noun is definite. Like for example, جاء الرجل راكبا على فرس جاء الرجل راكبا على فرس جاء الرجل راكبا على فرس. على is like on in English. This is all for this lesson. I hope it was helpful and the explanation was clear. You can comment if you still have any question. Thank you for watching and see you in a new lesson.